To order a new card from Regions, start by gathering the necessary information and materials. You will need your account number, identification, and contact details. If your card is lost or stolen, report it to Regions immediately to prevent unauthorized transactions. Next, visit the Regions website or mobile app to initiate the card replacement process. You can also call the customer service number on the back of your card or visit a local branch. If you are using the website or mobile app, log into your account and navigate to the card management section. Select the card you want to replace and choose the reason for replacement. If your card is damaged, you can request a replacement card with the same design. If your card is lost or stolen, you will need to confirm that you want to report it as lost or stolen and request a new card with a new account number. Once you have submitted your request, review the information carefully to ensure it is accurate. You will receive a confirmation message with the expected delivery date of your new card. It usually takes 7 to 10 business days to receive a new card. When your new card arrives, activate it immediately by calling the phone number provided with the card or using the mobile app. Sign the back of the card and store it in a safe place. Update any recurring payments or automatic transactions with your new card information to avoid disruptions. It is essential to monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. If you have any issues with your new card, contact Regions customer service for assistance. They are available 24 hours a day to help you with any questions or concerns you may have. By following these steps, you can easily order a new card from Regions and get back to managing your finances with ease. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure to prevent unauthorized access.